Accounting vouchers and tally. The first one is contra voucher. The shortcut key for this one will be function key F4. Whenever we have transaction between cash and bank, in that case, this particular voucher will be used. Bank to bank transfer, cash to cash transfer, cash withdrawn from the bank, cash deposited in the bank. This is used for fund transfer or money transfer between cash and bank accounts only. It also includes cash withdrawals or deposit and fund transfer or money transfer from one bank to another bank. Some of the transaction examples relating to this voucher will be the first one, deposited into the bank of rupees 5,000, and the second one will be cash withdrawn from the bank of rupees 10,000. The next voucher is payment voucher. The shortcut key will be function key F5. Payment voucher is used when we pay any amount in cash, check, DD to any party against any credit purchases or any due amount or give loan to any person. In that case, this voucher will be used. All type of payments are entered via this voucher type. Payment can be done either in the form of cash or bank. Credit item of the payment voucher will be either cash or bank account only. Recording of transaction can be done in two different modes. It can be recorded either in single entry or double entry system. In double entry system, we will be having prefix of credit and debit or to by prefix. Some of the transaction example relating to this voucher will be the first one, paid rent of rupees 3,000 by check. The second one, paid wages of rupees 200. Next one, receipt voucher, function key F6. Receipt voucher in tally is used when we receive any amount in cash, check, DD from any party against any credit sales or any due amount or received any loan. There can be only two different types of receipts. One will be in the form of bank, the other one will be in the form of cash. Both these receipts will be entered here itself. Debit item and receipt voucher can be either bank or cash. And there are two different modes are available in tally. This can be recorded either in single entry or double entry mode. In case of double entry mode, we will be having the prefix of debit and credit, or it can be to by prefix. Transaction examples relating to this particular voucher will be the first one, Sami started his business with rupees 1 lakh. The second example will be sold goods of rupees 2,000. Next voucher is journal voucher. The shortcut key for this one will be function key F7. Journal is an important voucher. This voucher is used for non-cash or bank transactions. Journal vouchers are used to either correct something that went wrong or to record something where there is not a third party provided document such as an invoice or purchase order. Example, depreciation of fixed asset, appreciation, provisions, bad debts, transfer entries. Transfer entries are used to transfer funds from one account to another. Purchase of fixed asset on credit basis. If purchase of fixed asset is done in terms of cash, in that case, it will not be recorded in this voucher. That will be recorded under payment voucher. Apart from this, we use journal vouchers for journalizing outstanding expenses, to record prepaid expense, to recognize accrued income. In the same way, for correcting wrong entries passed in the book of accounts. Journal voucher should not be used for credit sales or credit purchase. These are used for making any adjustment or rectification entries without affecting cash or bank account. Journal voucher is used to make adjustment between two or more ledgers or account heads. No outside parties like debtor, creditor, branches, division will be involved here. Before I just end this particular slide, I would like to provide one more example for this voucher. Think that right now company has sold some of the shares to a third party, and the company has earned some profit. The profit what is earned has to be shown, and that recording will go back to journal voucher. One example for journal voucher will be provision of depreciation on furniture of rupees 800 and machinery of rupees 900.